I'm Meredith with ExtremeTerrain, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 18 by 9 inch wheels and 35-inch tires paired with a 2 to 3.5 inch lift on a 2 and 4 door Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JL. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect while driving with this setup on and off-road. 35-inch tires with a 18 by 9 inch wheel is a very popular setup with owners that have 2 to 3 inches of lift on their JL, as you can see from the pictures provided by JL owners. This setup will give you a much more aggressive stance with a taller and wider tire in the fender well and will provide more capability if you want to go off-roading. Customers running this setup are a mix of those driving on the road while also going off-road. This wheel and tire combo will fit all 2 and 4 door Sahara and Rubicon JLs that have a 2 to 3.5 inch lift kit without needing to do any modifications, and is absolutely fine for both on-road daily driving and off-roading. This setup is free from any rubbing on any suspension components and on the stock front bumper. Stock Rubicons have a slightly taller fender as well, so you can expect a bit more clearance there. For the JL Sport and Sport S owners, you will need to remove your splash guard on the front bumper as the larger tires will rub against it. Once the splash guard is removed, you will not have any rubbing issues. When driving with this setup off-road, you can expect to be free from any rubbing while driving on trails and also while articulating while rock crawling. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind when you're upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35-inch tire. When driving on-road, the ride will feel a little bit more sluggish with the 35s compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 5 to 7 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change in the bigger tire. Not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind while they're driving. Now, this can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or even a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on the site. We also recommend getting an alignment after you've installed your wheels and tires. Again, this setup of 35-inch tires with an 18 by 9 inch wheel is a very popular setup with our customers and will give your JL a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it very easy to get these on your JL. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then all you need to have is a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.